that out. Holy crap. Welcome back to our channel, Rocks to Reefs. I'm Pat.
And I'm Amy.
Today we're in Skagway, Alaska.
Unfortunately, today is our last port day, but we're going to make the best of our last day by going on the White Pass Scenic Railway.
Stay tuned. Thanks for joining. Here we go. Kind of refreshing to see that they're testing these things out. Hopefully they're not using them. Wow, they really drop them in there. I've never seen these being used or tested, but it's refreshing to know that they are getting some sort of action. Kind of want to see that go, but we got to get going to our train.
I think they're going to let it go.
Yeah, I don't see them unhooking it or anything. I think they're just cleaning up the area underneath. Interesting.
So we walked off the ship, up a couple ramps through a tunnel, led us straight to the shuttle bus, taking the shuttle bus to the train station.
This is Skagway. Insanely beautiful. Lots of ships here. We have a helicopter tour that is quite popular. They probably have 10 to 12 helicopters and they all go out at the same time and come back together. And it is very loud. We didn't get those tickets because we booked this trip a little bit later. A lot of tickets weren't available anymore for a lot of things, but we did get on the train. I'm sorry, we did get tickets for the train. We're about to go on the train. We haven't got on the train yet. Check out the crab pods. Amy and I have a funny crab pod story maybe we'll tell sometime. Oh, that lady got stuck. Flaunting their crab size there. The weather's probably a brisk 55-ish, I'd say. What do you think, honey?
Sounds about right.
All right, we agree on something. Lots of tours. As you can see, it seems like one trip to Alaska is no way you could do it all. There's so many different options. Which makes it quite fun. They let us out here on the outside of the train. This is pretty epic. not taking that path.
Yeah.
Are we having fun?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's what we like.
Train ride is coming to an end. We are back in Skagway. You can see all the railroad stuff. Cool.
The steps have been let down on your train cars, so feel free to disembark.
Thank you.
Holy moly, what an incredible train ride we just had. As you've seen here, it was abundance of waterfalls and forest and hills and bridges, and it was more than I expected. It was not an inexpensive ride, but you did a good job, Amy, of picking this stuff. I don't usually plan anything. If you haven't noticed through our videos, I don't know what's going on. I just kind of get on and take the ride, and she plans it all. So that was very, very good. I thoroughly enjoyed it. How about you?
Yeah, it was a great time. It was cool to go out on the like little balconies on the edge of the train car, so you could get a better view. And then when you wanted to warm up, you could just come inside and sit at your window. The windows had a good view too, so it was all good everywhere you were at.
Yeah, it was comfortable. Almost fell asleep there near the end. So the way the train works is it goes up the path and it comes back on the same path. Turns around at the end of the track, which is in Canada, so it does a big loop. So if you sit on one side of the train, you don't have to worry about not seeing anything because you'll see it on the way back.
All right, honey, we're gonna be the last in line. Can we wrap it up?
Yep. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to our channel, Rocks to Reefs. We'll see you on the next one.
Bye.